Alright, what's going on, guys? So today I will be installing the COBB Catback exhaust. I've had it for almost a month now and it's just been killing me to put this thing on. So today's the day. Going to my uncle's house. He's gonna help me out with it. He has the proper tools, which I don't, so that's why it took so long. And I just didn't have time as well. But I'll be doing the sound difference between stock and then the COBB, and little bits and pieces of me putting it on and what it looks like for sure. Alright guys, check it out. First off, we need to make room because this thing is huge and I need every bit of inch I can get. Alright, so first off, I'm gonna give you guys a look at what it looks like. It looks nice, very nice, everything I got with it. So I got the exhaust tip area right here, mid pipe, and then all the way down to where it connects to the down pipe. And I had to get these extra COBB bushings just so I can have extra support, make it so it doesn't wobble underneath, and it doesn't compromise its structure in the future or somehow. Alright, so I'm at my uncle's and I'm about to start. He's not here yet, but check out his Viper. Oh man. Super dirty, but it's fast, that's for sure. About to jack it up and start it. Alright, now it's time to cut the piece that we have to cut. Huh? Oh, it's kind of scary. I've never done it before. Alright, after way too much effort, the exhaust is off. So hard to cut with the wheel. So much tools. Alright, now there's no exhaust, so time to put it on. Super hard getting this thing through. So close. So this part's super hard to put on, but if you bend the insulation right there, it'll make it much easier. If you can see that right there. It's impossible without moving that. Very. You lube up the thing, yeah, right there. You lube it up so you can get easy install. Bam. No burn. All we gotta do is tighten the bolt and make sure it's centered, and then we'll see how it sounds. All right, the exhaust is on. Here we go. Time to lower it. Use the fires right there. That's close enough. That was not slow at all. Okay guys, so real quick, I was too excited to install the exhaust, so I totally forgot to get the sounds of the stock exhaust. But if you have a Focus ST and it's still stock, the sound's right there, but I totally forgot, so I don't have the comparison. I don't even have old footage of the exhaust, so I'm just gonna show you what mine looks like right now, like nice and close up, and then the sounds, and I'm gonna do a little GoPro driving of me driving, and just see what it sounds like with the windows up and down, and then when you really get high in RPMs and when you're low in RPMs, just get a good idea of what it sounds like. But here we go. All right, so now we're outside. Let's get a nice look at the exhaust. So, oh yeah, that looks good. Nice and center, just how I like it. It bolted on perfectly, like this thing was engineered. All right, so right now it's gonna be the startup. See, I have my door open, so let's see what it sounds like. Not a bad sound. All right, put the camera outside, see how it sounds. You have to admit that sounds good. Really good. All right, now we're in POV mode. So now I'm gonna drive around, see what the exhaust sounds like, with the windows up and then with the windows down, different RPM levels or whatever, and just give you a better look at what it's like to own the Focus ST with this exhaust, and whether it's too much drone or not loud enough for you. This will be good for you, so let's go. And from takeoff, it just sounds pretty good. Not too much noise. It just has a nice sound to it. So we're in third gear now. I'm trying to get to a bigger street so I can do a pull, because it really does it does get louder once you do higher RPMs. So I'm gonna get to a bigger road where I can go faster. Or I can go right here. That sounds nice. That sounds pretty nice. All right, here we go. First gear, second gear, third gear, fourth. Okay, with the windows up. All right, and now I'm in idle. Now I'm cruising, I don't care. And there's literally no sound at all. It's like the exhaust ain't even there. I kind of like it. I don't know if you guys would like it, but let's go to fifth. That's not bad. So the noise is pretty much there when you're getting up there, and when you start putting gas on it. So let's put the windows down, see what that sounds like. All four windows. pretty damn loud. I'll make a U-turn. I don't want to go fast near a school zone. Alright, so make a U-turn. These are the only kind of roads you can make big U-turns on. Giant roads. Yeah, that sounds good, but alright guys, that's what the exhaust sounds like. Idle, windows up, windows down. And it sounds good. I'm happy with it. I'm really happy I got it, and at a cheaper price too, so definitely recommend it. It's good exhaust. Alright guys, that's pretty much the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave a like and also subscribe if you haven't. Plenty more videos to come, but I hope you guys like the exhaust. Hope I gave you enough info and a little bit like a better look at it. That's what I wanted to give you guys. And hope you guys like how it sounds. But alright guys, have a good day.